guys, welcome back. This is Maitri. You have got an old Barbie doll that your kid is no more using. If you have one, then you can try the craft that I'm going to do on this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video notifications on my channel. Before going into the video, I have got a message for someone. I have one of my regular subscriber whose name is Shruti. She regularly likes, comments, shares all of my YouTube videos. She's also one of my Instagram follower. So I've got a gift for her. Shruti, when you get to see this video, please respond to me in the comment section below. I'll send you your Amazon gift voucher. And now let's see how I have reused an old Barbie doll. And please let me know if you have got some unique Barbie doll craft ideas. I had a doll who had lost her legs for some reason. I wrapped the lower part of the body with an aluminium foil. Divided the last part of the foil into two parts and tried giving a shape of a mermaid tail. Then I covered the mermaid tail using masking tape. Then the mermaid tail was covered with some clay. Then I made some fish skin texture on the clay. If you don't want to use clay, you can use some fabric as well. The mermaid tail will have a natural fabric texture and that should also work for this. Here I have used two seashells. Then I fixed the hair. Then I used turquoise blue to give a base color to the mermaid tail. After the turquoise blue was completely dried, I used some golden acrylic on the entire mermaid. Then I got a cardboard, gave a freehand shape to the cardboard. Then I pasted some tissue paper rollers on the cardboard. Then I used aluminium foil to make artificial mountains. Aluminium foil is the best way to make fox mountains. It gives a perfect texture of a mountain. Then I covered the back side with aluminium foil. Then I pasted some more aluminium foil to get some more textures on the model. Then I got some wall putty and used the wall putty to paste some seashells on the model. You can use hot glue for this step, however, putty will fix the stuffs permanently. I made some more textures on the base of the model using wall putty. Then I made some acrylic color spray. To make acrylic color spray, I first got a spray bottle, added some white acrylic into it. Then I mixed some water to it. And finally I mixed some turquoise blue to it. That made my acrylic color spray ready. I sprayed the acrylic spray all over the model to get a base color. Once the base color was dried, I painted the model using turquoise blue and covered the artificial mountains using dark green. Then I used metallic copper on the seashells. I used some metallic silver on the base and the fox mountains. Then I fixed the mermaid using hot glue and gave a crown to the mermaid. I used a metal wire and a blue stone to make the crown for the mermaid. So that's how I used an old Barbie and made this best out of waste craft. I'll be back with some more interesting crafts. Till then, bye bye. Hey, hi, this is Maitri. Please press the bell icon. Oh, if you like the video. Oh, please help me, guys. Please help me. Will I be able to do it in this week?